Here's an update to my pond. I recently spent 2 days working on this pond. The most important thing was I moved these. Actually, it was just that one. It used to be right here. But I moved it over there. I added this one just as a pre-filter for that guy. As you can see, I have one overflow for this tank, and that is just a regular outflow for that one. And the reason why I did that, oh, and by the way, that is my new air diffuser. It's a 12-inch air diffuser, working pretty good. The reason why I did all this is so that it's easier for me to be able to access these two tanks from the back. Here's the pre-filter. Well, I see some fish in there. That's probably because they got sucked into the pump, came out this way. But I bought these black sponge brush thing there. I bought it from 99-cent store. Bought 6 of them, pretty cheap. That's only to trap anything that is floating in the tub so that it doesn't go into this tub, which goes in here, out that one, goes down, goes in, and water rises back up. And as you can see, it's pretty clear. There you go. That's where the water goes out. And this pipe right here, that's where I put the shop vac to blow air down towards the bottom, and the bubble will come back up to wash all the rocks. At least try to keep it clean. And then while I'm doing that, water comes out this way, but at that point, that tube right there will be connected to that end there, and I will make the water come out to that tree there. Not tree, it's just a rose. So here it is.